Once again, my name is Tyler McCully. It's a partly cloudy, cold day. We're going to get a train video. The train runs slow, so immediately, that's for sure. It's going to give me a pain up the butt, get me out of here. Let's see the train what it is. See, he gets a honk at Bucklin. Let's see, get a book. Let's see the train what it is. See, he gets a honk. He's coming very good, coming from the alley there. He's coming pretty slow, about 2 seconds. And there's the train. There it is. BNSF, alright. We got coal cars. Can you believe it? We might have catch it in Bucklin. We might have catch it in Callio. So I might have catch it in Callio, so hold tight.